Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic for all you rooted Android users out there. We're going to transform your audio experience by showing you how to install the Dolby Audio Moto G6 Magisk module. This little gem can bring that rich, immersive Dolby sound to almost any rooted Android phone. So, if you're ready to make your music, movies, and games sound incredible, stick around. Let's quickly go over what you'll need to make this magic happen. First off, your phone's architecture needs to be either ARM v7A or ARM 64v8A. Next, and this is important, you'll need 32-bit audio service. And finally, your device needs to be running Android 8 or higher. And you must have Magisk or KernelSU already installed and set up on your phone. Now, a quick but very crucial warning before we go any further. While this module works great for many, there's always a possibility of a boot loop, or even a soft brick, or a service failure, especially if you're on a read-only ROM. To significantly reduce these risks, it's highly recommended that you use Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask. Alright, with those prerequisites and warnings out of the way, now follow these steps carefully and you'll be enjoying Dolby audio in no time. First things first, and this is critical before you install this module. If you have any other Dolby Magisk modules installed on your phone with a different name, you absolutely must remove them. You can install this just like any other Magisk or KernelSU module. That means you can use the Magisk app, the KernelSU app, or if you prefer, even flash it directly through your custom recovery like TWRP, assuming Magisk is installed. Next up, a vital step if you're a power user with multiple audio enhancements. If you are using any other audio mod module alongside this Dolby module, and I mean any other, you absolutely need to install the AML Magisk module. And finally, a crucial step specifically for KernelSU users. You need to open your KernelSU app settings and make sure to disable Unmount modules by default. If this option is enabled, your Dolby module won't be able to stick after a reboot, and you'll be scratching your head wondering why it's not working. Once all these steps are completed, the final and most satisfying action is to reboot your phone one last time. That's it for this comprehensive guide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech tutorials and modding guides. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. If you have any questions or if you ran into any issues during the installation, drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to help you out. All the download links you need are, as always, in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.